Hello, fellow yogis. In today's video, we're excited to share how Toolsbots can help you grow your yoga business and attract more clients. Follow along as we take you through the step-by-step process. Step 1. Creating an engaging yoga website. Learn how Toolsbots can design a captivating website that reflects your unique style and showcases your yoga offerings. From beautiful visuals to seamless navigation, we'll create a website that leaves a lasting impression on your visitors. Step 2. Optimizing your website for search engines. Discover the power of search engine optimization, SEO, and how Toolsbots can help your yoga website rank higher on search engine results. By targeting relevant keywords and optimizing your content, we'll drive organic traffic to your site, increasing your online visibility. Step 3. Implementing a user-friendly online booking system. Say goodbye to paper-based scheduling and embrace the convenience of an online booking system. Toolsbots can integrate a user-friendly and efficient booking system on your website, allowing clients to easily reserve their spots for yoga classes. Step 4. Building a strong social media presence. Learn how Toolsbots can help you harness the power of social media to connect with a broader audience. We'll assist you in creating engaging social media content, managing your platforms, and leveraging targeted advertising to attract new clients. Step 5. Expanding your reach with e-commerce solutions. Explore the benefits of selling yoga products and merchandise online. Toolsbots can build an e-commerce platform for your yoga business, enabling you to reach a wider audience and generate additional revenue. Step 6. Cultivating a strong brand identity. Discover how Toolsbots can assist you in developing a compelling brand identity that resonates with your target audience. From logo design to brand messaging, we'll help you create a memorable brand that sets you apart from the competition. Step 7. Analyzing data and making informed decisions. Learn how Toolsbots utilizes data analytics to provide valuable insights into your yoga business. By tracking website performance, client behavior, and marketing campaigns, we'll help you make informed decisions for business growth. Congratulations! By following these steps with the support of Toolsbots, you're well on your way to growing your yoga business. Remember, we're here to guide you every step of the way, providing top-notch IT services tailored to your unique needs. Get in touch with Toolsbots today to embark on your journey towards success in the yoga industry. Thank you for joining us today and exploring how Toolsbots can help you grow your yoga business. Be sure to visit our website and schedule a consultation to learn more about our services. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on yoga business growth and IT solutions. Wishing you abundance and prosperity on your yoga business journey with Toolsbots. Thanks!